Hello everyone, this is Shagufta. I am here again with today's maths class. Counting things is easy for us now. We can count any concrete objects. We can also count the things in large numbers. For example, the number of students in the school. We can also communicate large numbers using number names. We use numbers every day in our life. Numbers help us to read time. Numbers help us to know date and day. Numbers are also helpful in playing games. If we go on telling the uses of numbers, it may never end actually. Such significant is the role of numbers in our life. Numbers are used in many different contexts and in many ways. Students, can you think about various situations where we use numbers? We enjoyed working with numbers in our previous classes. We have added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided them. We also looked for patterns in numbers, sequences, and done many other interesting things with numbers. In this chapter, that is knowing our numbers, we shall move forward on such interesting things with a bit of review and revision as well. Before that, children, shall we do a warm-up? So, here is your warm-up exercise. Yes, it is a tongue twister. Professional pumpkin pickers are prone to pick the plumpest pumpkins. Pause the video and try to say it as fast as you can. I am sure you will enjoy trying it. Good try, dear ones. Well done. Let us quickly get into our first concept, comparing numbers. Comparing means to know which number is greater and which number is smaller. As we have done quite a lot of this earlier, let us see if we remember which is the greatest among these. For example 1, 9, and here it is 90. Can you say now which one is greater, 9 or 90? Yes. What is the rule? To compare, check the number of digits. Here the number of digit is 1. This is 1 digit number, and here 9 and 0. It is 2 digit number. This is the first rule while you are comparing the numbers. Check the number of digits. Here it is 1 digit and here it is 2 digit. So obviously the 2 digit number is bigger or greater than the 1 digit number. So the open side of the symbol should come towards 90. Can you notice here? The open side should come towards 90. It indicates that 90 is greater than 9. Shall we see one more example? Example 2. 45 and here 465. Can you now notice this is a 2 digit number, 4 and 5, 2 digit number, and here 1, 2, 3. This is a 3 digit number. Obviously the 3 digit number is greater, so the open side should come towards 465. This resembles 465 is greater than 45, or you can also read it as 45 is lesser than 465. Let me consider one more example. Example 3. 89,742 and here it is 392. Yes, check the number of digits on both the sides. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5-digit number. And here 392. It is a 3-digit number. Obviously 5-digit number is greater than 3-digit number. So the open side should come towards 89,742. Can you notice here the open side is towards the greater number, that is the number of digits are greater here than this number. How do we compare when there are two numbers which has the same number of digits? For example, here 465 and 365. Here check the number of digits 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3-digit number. And here 1, 2, 3. This is also a 3-digit number. In this situation, the digit rule will not work. So choose the highest place value. Write down the place values: ones, tens, hundreds. Here also ones, tens, hundreds. Which is the highest place value here? Hundreds, right? And here also hundreds is the highest place value. Now see the numbers. Here it is 4 and here it is 3. Which is the greater number? Yes, 4 is the greater number. So 465 is greater than 365. Dear children, look at one more example. Here 6,981 and 7,560. Which number is greater? Shall we see now? Yes. Count the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a 4-digit number. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. Now write down the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here also ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Select the highest place value. Here 1000 is the highest one. Now decide which is greater, 6 or 7. Is obviously 7 is greater than 6. So the open mouth should come towards 7. It can be read as 6,981 is lesser than 7,560. The closed side indicates lesser than. Okay, 6,981 is lesser than 7,560. Or you can also read it as 7,560 is greater than 6,981. Look at this example. Can you decide which is the greater number here? 4,875 or 4,542. Which one? Yes, if you notice, both the numbers are having same number of digits. For here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number, and this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number. Further, if you consider the highest place value, it is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. If you consider the highest place value, here also the numbers are same. Here it is 4 and here also it is 4. What do we do then? We move to the next digit, that is hundreds place. See the hundreds place. Here it is 8 and here it is 5. Which is the bigger one, 8 or 5? 8 is the bigger number. So 4,875 is greater than 4542. It is just a simple thing, dear students. Don't get confused. See here, when thousand place is same, when the thousand place has the same number and you cannot decide which is greater and which is smaller, go for the next place value, that is hundreds place. If hundreds place also has the same numbers, then you should move on to tens place. If tens place has also the same number, then you should move on to ones place. Let us see one more example. 2874, 2864. Can you notice here, both the number has 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, and this is also 1 2 3 4. When you consider the highest place value, that is thousands place, here also it is 2 and here also it is 2. Go for the next number, here 8 and here also it is 8. So you cannot decide here. Move for the next number, here it is 7 and here it is 6. Now you can decide, right? Here it is 7 and here it is 6. Which is the bigger one? 7. So the open mouth should come towards 2874. This number can be read as 2874 is greater than 2864. Hope you understood this concept. I believe it was fun learning about numbers. Note down your home fun. Compare the following. There are 3 questions. First one, 4536 and 4892. The second question is 25,286 or 25,278. The third one, 688 and 68. You have to compare these 3 questions. I will be back with one more concept in the next class. Till then, have fun with numbers. Thank you.